पापड़ी चाट, दही बल्ले.
What is dahi balle?
भल्ला पापड़ी.
No.
Vijay, you're missing out on life.
So I've got sarson ka saag with white makhan.
What is?
You've never eaten sarson da saag?
I'll try this makki ki roti.
This is my dad's pindi chole. This is kulcha.
कुलचे.
All of Punjab coming alive right here in Mumbai.
मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा
So Vijay is having kulcha with sarson da saag.
है. Which is so wrong.
In the end, it's all flow.
There are no rules.
There are rules.
Makki di roti and mutton curry.
Can I?
All Bollywood actresses openly saying they have a crush on you. I mean, no other actor has had this privilege.
समझ सकता हूँ. You think I would be single?
You're too good looking to be single.
Fucking 35. Do you know 100 years back, men would have multiple wives. Kings would be married to. I know what it feels like to be loved, and I know what it is to love. I don't know unconditional love. My love comes with expectations, so clearly it's not unconditional.
Hi, मुझे प्यार हो रहा है.
And I can't expect the other person to be the same.
Female Arjun Reddy.
Don't you feel like lots of pain?
Where do you think the music is coming from?
आज का संडे ब्रंच किसी रेस्टोरेंट में नहीं बल्कि म्यूजिक सेंसेशन जसलीन रॉयल के घर होगा. एंड जॉइनिंग मी टुडे इज द हार्ट थ्रोब ऑफ द साउथ विजय देवरकोंडा and the northern beauty Radhika Madar. So on this episode of Sunday Brunch presented by Samsung Galaxy Book 4 series, हम enjoy करेंगे authentic Punjabi food with recipes all the way from Ludhiana. I'm very curious to know what flavors are coming to the table and how Vijay Devarkonda is going to react to sarson da saag, makke di roti, pindi chole and kulche. Let's go.
Hi.
Hi Jasleen, how are you?
Come.
So tell me, is this your idea of chilling out? घर पर जाके बैठना, or do you like to go out, restaurants and party? What's your idea of chilling out?
I'm a homebody.
7 on 10 times I like chilling at home. Like that's
Okay.
mostly all my friends come. They call my house the boys' hostel because I have a home theater where like 15 boys can sleep. So they come and they stay. Or even if you come to my home theater, there'll be mattresses that you have in hostels that you can fold and spread. So 7 out of 10 times it's home. But there are those days where you just feel like going out, and it's the same group of people,
Yeah.
but you want to be out around other people and feel the energy of the city and a place.
So you really enjoyed the hostel life that you created at your house also.
Yeah, I can't. I think you get used to being. I can never travel alone. I don't like being alone because you grew up with 60 boys around you always. I like the feeling of having that gang of friends around. So I love people around me.
Two of my closest friends are my childhood friends. I know them since I was in first grade. One of them is married. The other one is getting married very soon.
आप दोनों ही north से है, right? Ludhiana and Delhi. Did you feel welcome enough, or
They
did you
were
feel
very
left
sweet.
out?
I spent just 2 days on the shoot. Half a day was just her doing her dance, or more like no, it was an entire night of you
Entire night of it.
dancing where I wasn't there. Yeah. But my 2 days it was packed, so you were
Yeah.
shooting, and they were really warm and welcoming.
You've made your home now in Mumbai, and so have you. And Vijay to just come in and out of the city. How welcoming do you think is Mumbai?
Like sometimes I wonder if not Mumbai, then where else? Like I love Ludhiana because it's my hometown and it's where I've grown up. But other than that, like Mumbai is home for me. So I brought Ludhiana with me to Mumbai.
And today we are going to sample with Ludhiana some delicious food. So Vijay was the first one to share his preference, and he said North Indian food.
I said homemade, like whatever.
Homemade
I was
food.
like, your favorite food,
Yeah.
I will try.
And how long have you been in Mumbai now?
It's been 10 years for me. It was love at first sight. जैसे हम फिल्मों में देखते हैं ना कि आप
हाँ.
आते हो, आप विंडो नीचे करते हो and you take the air in, and it just felt like home from the word go. Of course, the city has its vibe, but you need your family. You
Yeah.
need your close friends.
And Vijay, I'm sure आपको तो यहाँ बहुत welcome feel होता होगा.
No,
All
it's still-
Bollywood actresses openly saying they have a crush on you. I mean, no other actor has had this privilege.
The city is chill. The city is chill.
You've learned how to ignore, right?
I'm like, everyone gets asked about home and
And you get asked about
Yeah.
girls. Okay, now let's talk about Mumbai as a city. You've chosen abhi tak to, of course, you're still in Hyderabad. How do you feel when you come to the city? What's the vibe that you get?
Hyderabad is home because that's where my family is. That's where I was born, brought up. I know the streets. My
Yeah.
friends live there. If I go to Kochi or if I go to Bombay or if I go to Chennai, there's weather differences. Here you see a beach. In Kochi, you'll see the backwaters. Other than
Yeah.
the geographic differences, I find like every city is quite chill to go in and out. Especially, I think you're lucky as an actor when people know you and love you. Of course, the warmth and maybe the experience I would have if I was not known, if I was a nobody, that would have been more real. Right
Yeah.
now, I get like a privileged kind of reception everywhere. There's always love, so that way I'm lucky. But it's really nice. I enjoy Bombay. I love whenever I come, I stay down this street at JW. I love the view my room has. I love water. I'm like a beach guy when I travel. I can stay a month, 40 days without missing home. I think around the 30-40 day mark, it's time to go.
But you also said you don't like being alone. You need like a gang with you.
So whenever I shoot, I always have people come over. My family travels a weekend, my friends come. So I always have, wherever I'm traveling in the world, I have like a bunch of people who come.
Now, I'm sure you guys have shot together music video, which we are looking forward to. But have you discovered anything about yourself which you think our audiences would not? Are you comfortable with Hindi?
Yeah, fully.
हाँ तो
Yeah.
हिंदी में बात करते हैं ना.
मेरा ग्रामर थोड़ा वीक है.
मतलब इंग्लिश
पर-
में कर लो पर he'll understand एक दो words इधर उधर.
क्या हिंदी में? I understand
में?
fully.
Fully हिंदी
Yeah.
You sure you?
मेरे को इनका impression मालूम है.
हाँ.
मेरा impression.
आपके
Can I
बारे
take
में
it a little bit?
क्या
So
है?
that it doesn't go there.
बोलो.
He thinks मैं बहुत ambitious हूँ.
You're not? See, correct.
बहुत accommodating, बहुत inclusive, बहुत sweet and बहुत I just listen to whatever he says like no.
And says yes.
I realized that Vijay is a man of very few words, at least initially. He'll only speak when spoken to. He'll not be bored, he'll just be, but he observes everything. He's very sharp, and he has a hint of like this naughty side, like mischievous side to him. Like sometimes I see that.
His smile can tell that. Yeah.
His eyes also.
His eyes
It's
also.
like he like really picks on you also, and but
Really?
he's a little held back right now.
क्यों ऐसा क्या हो गया विजय?
I think Radhika is like she's a stunning dancer, which I didn't know. First time I knew of a Radhika Madan, she was doing some fights. She was like flying. Was it that Mard Ko
Yeah,
Darna?
Mard Ko Darna.
That's when I saw, I was like, whoa. Like, that's when I knew of her first, and now I saw that she's like a stunning dancer, which you'll see in the song. She got me talking a bit that day. I think she asked me a bunch of questions, which I think I gave decent answers to.
Great answers
Hopefully.
too.
Thank you.
What, you guys had like a Q&A? See, even the deep live conversation was
Live
happening.
conversation, we're waiting for a shot. I'm a very curious person.
Yeah.
And he's a
Acha.
man of few words.
So you really had to poke him to get some words
Yeah,
out
but
of him.
I also don't. I like to respect a person's boundary, and I don't like to be like irritating.
Yeah.
Because I don't know how their process is. What are they thinking?
Yeah.
But I love asking questions. So I've been a bit reserved with him. I think after the song becomes a super hit, we'll get to chat more. But in my eyes, but like when I first saw him, his eyes are so expressive. He doesn't need to say things. He expresses everything through his eyes, which is a beautiful quality, especially for an actor. A thorough professional, very sweet with everyone. You won't feel like, oh, he doesn't carry the weight of superstardom. He's a very grounded guy, and that was the impression that I got. Are you going to pay me after this? Yeah.
He's gonna speak through his eyes.
No words. पैसे पहुंच जाएंगे.
1 lakh.
Okay, let's play a game then. We're going to play Food Pictionary. We're going to have some chits here.
Okay.
And you guys have to draw.
Oh.
And the other two have to guess. I'm going to use Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360. एक बहुत ही cool feature use करेंगे called Second Screen, where you can seamlessly connect the devices and use the tab as the second screen. Whoever guesses first will win, right? So they're going to be like, everybody will have a chance to draw. But there's a time limit. All of y'all can only draw for a minute.
What am I winning?
You're going to win like a delicious meal from recipes all the way from Ludhiana.
But everyone's eating that.
You get one
Including you
dish
who's not
special.
drawing.
Okay, let's begin this game.
I'm very bad at drawing.
No.
मैं मजनू भाई की तरह पेंटिंग करती हूँ. ये मेरे को नहीं पता है कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं. Okay.
You can't speak.
Chilies.
Eggplant.
नहीं. Wait.
It looks like a candle.
No, it's not a candle. Just need it's a food item. Okay, let me draw it with the.
It's a vegetable.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not a chili.
Pumpkin.
No, it's not a chili,
It's a
but it's
capsicum.
very. Okay, इसको अलग तरीके से भी
Time
बनती है. अलग तरीके
Draw
से
the
बनती है.
dish, no?
No, यही है.
Lady finger.
हाँ, उसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Okra.
Okra.
Bhindi.
Bhindi.
But उसके अंदर क्या है?
Stuffed bhendi.
हाँ, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? What is this?
Kurmuri bhindi.
उसके अंदर क्या डालते हैं?
Okay, 30
Masala
seconds.
bhendi.
मसाला भिंडी.
One
I got
step.
it.
You see my
What?
masala?
Bhindi तो I got.
See my masala. Appreciate the masala.
Okay, Vijay gets a point. Fair.
No.
Yeah.
I guess bhindi.
Okay, we'll share.
Bhindi I guess no.
अबे यार मिर्ची क्यों ड्रॉ करा रहे हैं? मेरी बेइज्जती होने वाली है सर. Where is white? White. ग्रे बड़ी white है.
मूली.
नहीं देखो.
रसगुल्ला.
Looks like a mask.
यार wait. Wait.
How many
Oh,
seconds to
Vijay,
go?
you will be able to guess. Okay, wait.
You have 40 seconds.
Vijay,
Doesn't
wait.
have any trust, any faith in your ability to guess.
No, she thinks your super like psychic ability. What is this?
Doesn't look very edible.
Let me put it on the leaf.
Oh, on a leaf. So it's some South Indian
हाँ.
thing. That's why.
Italy.
नहीं ये देखना ये देखिए क्या बनाया मैंने.
डोसा मसाला डोसा
कौन सा?
रवा मसाला.
Oh my god! Bang on!
You have to give it to me.
How did
I
you guess
think
it? Rava.
रवा मसाला
You really
डोसा.
should not know what a dosa looks like to guess that. If you have any idea what a dosa looks like, it's impossible to guess that.
Can you please take
Oh,
note
it's
of this?
rolled like that.
I think this
Okay.
food picture is really hard.
Okay, this is not my expertise, but
हाँ मेरे से बुरा तो नहीं होगा मुझे यार.
Coffee,
yes,
Coconut.
yes. First guess.
cappuccino,
No.
saucer, cup saucer, coffee,
Coconut coffee.
americano, foam, white,
Oh,
flat
local.
white.
अच्छा अरे यार.
Who guessed?
यार
Who
मुझे तो
guessed?
बहुत अच्छा. She guessed, but I was.
Oh, okay.
How do I?
But
do
good,
fake
huh?
that?
He's good.
Good, yeah, good, not bad. But straw, what is that thing?
No, he's pouring the coffee, na?
Yeah, you make it froth.
And you did this in like how many seconds? 40. Not
Oh.
bad.
And he
That's
draws
hard,
so
right?
well. I would have drawn
Yeah,
a coconut tree.
Flower, tree, apple,
Oh, broccoli.
Orange.
Yes.
Broccoli.
Oh, good.
That's it.
1 point.
One more.
Yeah.
She's a final.
Drawing में कैसे थे आप स्कूल में?
Terrible.
But
now
Vijay,
you're getting
you're
better.
much better than
But she
me.
said the standard like 2.
Thank you guys. I really appreciate the love that I'm getting here.
Coconut,
हर चीज कोकोनट नहीं हो सकता है. इडली.
gobi, cauliflower, cherries, blueberries.
अरे वो क्या होता है? गोल गोल बड़ा.
idli vada. Is it South Indian or no? No.
No, अच्छा गोलगप्पे.
Yes,
Momo,
but-
पानी पूरी.
puchka,
Yeah, but it has.
पापड़ी चाट. दही भल्ले.
Yeah.
दही भल्ले. भल्ले.
chaat papdi, tikki.
I know what it is. I know what it is.
What is this?
क्या कर रहे हैं? गोलगप्पे का पानी. दही पूरी. दही पूरी.
दही पूरी.
ये तो कुछ नहीं होता.
दही पूरी बॉम्बे की चीज है. हमारी दिल्ली में गोलगप्पे होते हैं सर.
What is dahi balle? I don't know what.
Dahi
You
puri
need to
you
come
had.
to Delhi.
You had dahi
Same
puri.
thing. Yeah.
भल्ला पापड़ी you
Hyderabad.
had.
Huh?
भल्ला पापड़ी.
No, I don't know.
Vijay, you're missing out on life.
Yeah.
How do you explain it to me?
Do we have dahi balla on the
this is,
menu?
This is pencil.
No. Okay.
That's it.
स्कोर बताओ मैंने बहुत सारा गेस कर लिया.
स्कोर 2 है आपका.
Thank
2
you.
और
And
उनका
is it, no?
1 है 1.5.
ये दो पे आ गई.
दही भल्ले and one more I guessed. Broccoli.
Oh, this I don't know. I've never eaten.
क्यों बोल रही है?
सच्ची में नहीं खाएंगे.
क्या कर रही है? अनार राइस दाल राइस
Thali.
राइस इन आपके
बिरयानी.
राइस.
Yes. Yes.
Is that it? Is it only biryani?
Yeah.
No type of a biryani?
No. See?
अरे यार ठीक है कोई
It's his favorite. No?
Oh, is it?
Very
अच्छा.
It's 3-2 which is winning.
So I don't get a point for this.
तो मैंने जो 3 बनाए मेरे को तो पॉइंट नहीं मिला.
आपको गेस करने के पॉइंट मिलते हैं.
Oh. Then I can actually draw shitty stuff so that you both don't guess.
Anyway, I stop only.
Okay. This is tough, huh?
ध्यान से.
Focus on the emotion.
Only because you got rice I got biryani. Otherwise, I wouldn't.
Will you give me half a point for that?
I
Guys,
think I
focus!
No, sorry.
should. Lassi.
नहीं, cappuccino.
It's perfect.
Wow, not bad. Now 3 and 3, very close
हो
now.
गया? Done?
नहीं, एक और है ना.
Last.
Oh, finally.
So now I'm deciding who's winning amongst
Correct.
these two.
These two.
Half a plate. अच्छा. Okay, guys, focus.
Banana.
हाँ.
Banana chips.
हाँ.
Yeah. So half.
How?
Banana and chips. आपने बहुत पूछ लिया, भूख लग रही है, खाना खिला दो.
अच्छा चलो, let's go and eat some food.
So I've got sarson ka saag with white makhan,
Wow.
home cooked mutton. This is my
Wow.
dad's pindi chole. This is kulcha.
कुलचे.
All of Punjab coming alive right here in Mumbai.
मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है.
What is
fish.
so
हाँ.
unique about
You've never eaten sarson da saag?
No.
Amazing. Start with
nice.
this.
Can I serve you garam garam makki ki roti?
Yes,
Oh.
please. Oh God.
Can I serve you?
Yes, please. Thank you. Where did Vijay go? I think he's going to wash his hands.
Okay.
आपने हाथ धोए?
सही है.
You are going to wash your hands? What a good boy. Vijay, what are you starting with?
This looks nice. What is that?
This is
सरसों का साग and मक्की की रोटी.
and good, jaggery,
and
and
सफेद
white
मक्खन.
makhan.
I'll try this makki ki roti.
Yes,
Okay,
makki
one
ki roti
second.
with some
Coming.
butter.
Right.
Let's start guys.
उसके
Yes,
पहले
yes,
Please.
उसके पहले there's some fish.
Wow.
Amritsari fish. जब I need something to.
It's okay. We'll just
Yeah?
take it with the fork.
Okay.
Yeah.
Vibe.
Nice.
You want some nimbu? Go for it.
Full white.
Vijay, I don't know if you like fish. I know you like prawns, na? अच्छा ठीक है. So I'm keeping it here.
Please have it with us. Pindi chole you need to have with
अच्छा,
kulcha
अच्छा.
and saag you need to have with makki.
Only
नहीं बस अभी बहुत है कि
Very
ये
important.
इंसान है.
Extremely
हाँ बस हाँ.
Otherwise the dish is spoiled.
that thing looks like one heavy hitter. If I eat half of it, I
तो शुड भी
eat
वो कामया क्यों
Try
उठा
it.
के क्या के पका दे?
looks giant.
मक्की की रोटी.
Try.
नहीं अभी नहीं खाई है. शुरू नहीं की उसकी प्लेट में अपन.
Yeah, it's like
कामया.
ये कितना ये इससे क्या होगा मुझे?
Are you on some diet?
No.
Not
पत्ती तो हुई थी ना.
Oh, okay. With that.
So Vijay is having kulcha with sarson da saag.
which is so wrong. So pindi chole.
In the end, it's all flour.
Yeah. There's nothing wrong. There are no rules.
There are rules.
ये तो. हाँ दे.
Oof.
How do you like it?
I can't do any more interviews. I need to take a nap.
Wow. I'm having
think you
sarson
say
da saag
all.
after so long.
Where are you from?
So I'm Sindhi.
That's like Punjab.
Yeah. North Indian again. So yeah.
I love Sindhi curry.
I was going to bring it today because we thought we'll do like a potluck kind of a thing. I don't want to
है ना?
spoil Jaslene's amazing feast from Ludhiana.
I would have eaten that as well.
Yeah,
I
okay.
love Sindhi curry.
Jasleen, come.
Coming 1 minute.
So what's your go-to meal?
I've been eating
Here,
eggs,
here.
eggs for breakfast for like the last 3 years of my life. That's just
Your, I'm gonna
breakfast
put
is
this
eggs, and I
on.
love eggs.
And put some white makhan on
And
top of this.
good.
And you have to take this with good. So tell him now how to eat.
Yeah, मैं कर रही हूँ. Take the whole thing. Take the whole thing.
It's a bit too much. No?
Take the whole thing. You won't
Huh?
even feel
I
it.
only taste makhan then.
You won't
Yeah.
taste makhan.
Huh?
Okay, take good.
Oi,
What
mommy,
am I
sorry.
supposed to do with the good?
You have it with
With-
the whole thing.
After
Like you
taking
take
that
one
bite
and then you
Okay.
take a bite
of the good.
Correct.
The
Guys.
food is so good, Jasleen. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's not.
We
It's
love
all
you.
my. It's my parents.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
They were here. They were
Thank you,
visiting
thank you,
actually for like.
This is
3-4
delicious.
days.
Delicious. Amazing food. So Vijay just had kulcha with sarson da saag. And I think it's a good combination.
Oh yeah, I also like that idea. I'm gonna try
Yeah.
it.
It's not a good idea.
You haven't tried the mutton.
I'll have it. Wrong. Something should
Yeah,
have.
songs.
So what's
Well,
the
like
question?
you do the talking, we are going to do the eating.
Very smart. Radhika, you should go first now.
The food is delicious.
Okay. Jasleen, I don't think it was a good idea to promote your song over a meal. The food is taking the highlight here. Makke di roti and mutton curry.
Ooh.
Can I? Or
Go
there
for
are
it.
some.
Your thing.
Am
That's
I-
not Mediterranean. That's not my department.
How does it taste though? Good?
Rice?
Nice.
I can try. But rice and mutton curry
Yeah.
is amazing.
Yeah.
Too good.
Guys, we need a serving spoon.
सॉन्ग के बारे में बोल दे, इतनी मेहनत से बनाया है.
Should I bring it? I'll bring it. Oh guys,
Like
one thing miss हो गई. Sorry. One thing miss हो गई. You have to put this chutney on the chola. Good and imli ki chutney.
Oh my god.
Oh sorry, I'm so sorry. And
Wow,
this
thank
has
God I
to
didn't
go.
start with the pindi chana.
This has to go here. One more serving spoon, please,
Wait,
guys.
I've had but this won't that make chole
Little
very
bit,
sweet?
little bit, like just
Little bit, okay.
one dot.
इमली की चटनी तो
सबके साथ जाती है ना?
insane.
और राधिका तो काफी स्पीड में खा रही है तो मुझे लगता है जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा. तो एक हम लोग अपने YouTube के थंबनेल के लिए फोटो ले लेते
जो
हैं.
मेरे को सेटल होने दो. हाँ, अब मैं रेडी हूँ.
Ready? Okay. I want to know about the song because
Yeah.
I'm very curious about this amazing pairing.
The song, it's called Sahiba, and
Okay.
it stars these two stunners.
Okay.
Vijay and Radhika in lead roles, and it's a period drama. It's like, so basically the idea was to make it something larger than life, like a magnum opus of sorts, like
Okay.
not like a music video. It's not a music video, it's not a film, it's just something else for me personally, and I'm very passionate about it. And Sudhanshu has directed it, he's written the story, and he's done such a fabulous job. Vijay and Radhika coming on board, and I personally think it doesn't get bigger than this.
But I want to know, Vijay, you of course do a lot of movies. What prompted you to do a music video this time around?
Kiri, I was playing a lot at home. I was playing every day for a bit. So that was how I know Jasleen. And somehow she reached out, and I think she reached out at a timing where my guard was down and I was open.
Cosmic.
Yeah, she asked me at a time where somehow I said yes, I don't know. Then I tried to not do it for a bit. I started, as soon as I heard the song, I knew the song was great. But I was like, shooting a video now, what all?
Dance करना पड़ेगा and all. Is there some
Straight away I
dancing?
said no dance. They would
Okay.
have loved for me to dance, I'm sure.
She handled that part well, like.
Radhika took over that vision and did it beautifully. But Jasleen won't let go once she wants something.
That is true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is very persistent.
You can give any excuse, she will find a way around it.
Which is good, right?
It's really like I took you like at gunpoint and you had to do it.
Yeah, actually, you didn't do gunpoint.
But it felt like that.
But almost there. No, but we are very happy and we are looking forward to this.
Basically, I was just telling him that it's not going to be like a regular video, it's going to be like something very large scale. So that's what I was just trying to tell him to just trust me
Yeah.
on this once. Like, you won't regret it. I hope like it works out the way we planned it to, and I'm happy that he said yes and she said yes.
And have you done like a lot of dancing in this?
Intense stuff she did.
So I learned Kathak
Oh wow.
just
Okay.
for this song. I trained for like a month and a half or 2 months for a 2-day shoot. And it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. You know, the song it reminds us of that old school love जो आजकल के ज़माने में नहीं दिखता. Lyrics में, composition में, आपके पास कोई reference point नहीं है. हम बड़े हुए हैं शाहरुख खान की का रोमांस देख के. कोई love stories नहीं है जिसको हम देख के बोले कि ऐसा प्यार करना है.
पर ये ऐसा है म्यूजिक वीडियो कि ऐसा प्यार करना है.
I hope so. It's very unconditional, old school, जिस चिट्ठियाँ लिखने वाला प्यार होता था ना, वैसा सा है. So
बट क्या लगता है अभी वैसा प्यार है? अनकंडीशनल टाइप लव, डज इट स्टिल एग्जिस्ट?
मेरे अंदर तो है, बाकी पता नहीं. Like,
बाकी बता नहीं, बाकी बता दो फिर.
मेरे को तो लगता है कि मेरे I feel I won't settle for anything less other than old school such a unconditional प्यार. मेरे से वो situationship वाला होता ही नहीं है. आज क्या बता रहे थे मम्मी, कौन सा secret में जो affair करते हैं? I don't know, some Gen Z
Can I have
word.
some rice?
yes please. Some link, sneaky link.
Sneaky link. I don't know. I
Thank you.
can't.
Do you know 100 years back, men would have multiple wives? Kings would be married to 100.
तू कर ले. मेरे को तू कर ले. मेरे से नहीं होगा.
So come to the point. What are you trying to say?
कि वो बोल रहे हैं कि वो
old school नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
बोल रहे हो तो तुम्हें पता भी है old school में old time में क्या होता था.
ओह, मुझे लग रहा है वो कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छा था.
नहीं,
मैं
Times
normal
were
वाला
like-
old school. Normal old school नहीं होता जो हम मम्मी पापा के जमाने में देखते थे.
In our parents' time, you mean?
चिट्ठियों वाला है यार. कोई बुक गिफ्ट कर दो, शायरी कर दो. हाय, मुझे प्यार हो रहा है.
I know what it feels like to be loved, and I know what it is to love. I don't know unconditional love because my love comes with expectations. So clearly it's not unconditional, and I don't know of any love that comes. Maybe there is, and maybe it's it's my ignorance to it. But love's a nice thing in the end of the day, to be loved and love. Everything else I think is too over romanticized, no? Like I don't know if it's even okay to expect unconditional.
But I think he has a point. I think love also comes with some expectations, and
It's only natural, like
yeah.
she wants chitty. Expectations are smaller.
Smaller expectations.
Like the universe will take care of me. I just want to pour my heart out. Like sometimes you get like I'm a very emotional and sensitive person, and I'm like very action oriented. I just go all out. Like there's no filter or no like boundaries when
Yeah.
I love. And I can't expect the other person to be the same.
Female Arjun Reddy.
Don't you feel like lots of pain? at a
So
lot
where
of
do you
times?
think the music is coming from?
Yeah.
No,
There
but
is
then
pain
now
in
I've
that kind of
made a point. Like I'll do whatever this is me. This is core me, and then
You
the
should
universe
stay
is
true.
gonna
Yeah, you should do your
take
thing.
care of me. Like I'll get that love from so many places. Like this is how me
And hopefully the man that you love also
Yeah.
will be kind and
kind and a giver.
And how good are you guys with like confrontations, or would you rather just ghost?
I too hate it, but I'm a texter. Like I'll always put my point across and I'll say like this is this, but don't call me. Like it just makes me this.
I love to call.
And clarify
I
everything.
clarify
I'm going to
everything.
wash my hand.
Yeah.
Yeah. No worries.
You guys should chat. I'll join.
Yeah. So I love to
This
call.
is not a skip option, okay?
So I love to call. I want to clarify it there and then. This is what I'm feeling. I'm not a text person.
No.
No, I'm a phone call person or come and meet me person.
I'm like I need a break. आज अभी थोड़ा time 2-3 घंटे at least I need some fresh air. Then we'll talk about it. I don't want to talk about it when everybody's volatile. Give me space. Give me air.
But
Sleep on
you
it.
will still confront. Ghost nahi karo.
I'll not ghost anybody for that matter. Even if I've gone on dates and I've not like
Yeah.
connected, I've told the person it's not you. It's just like the timing of it. And it's like that way. I'm not gonna like oh feel acha nahi bye or like I'm not feeling any chemistry. So bye.
Perspective on marriage. Do you think it comes in the way of career?
Doesn't have to.
I mean it doesn't like. How does it come? Like Shah Rukh Khan got married like so early.
It's a little harder on women for sure. But I think for a singer, it doesn't matter. Depends on the profession. If you're a teacher, I don't think marriage should affect your career in any way.
But does it matter like Kareena?
Kareena,
got
Alia,
married,
Kiara.
Kiara, Alia. Like Alia has been doing phenomenal stuff. Like I don't see a difference in how people are perceiving her at
Even
all.
Kareena, when she
Yeah.
was also told a lot of
Yeah.
things. Like, your career,
Like you always told a lot of things. Like I'm just talking like I know everybody. Like Sushmita Sen like adopted. That was like very new and like not been heard of or seen of. So I think like you just have to do what you want and
Yeah.
you can't be so bothered about
And,
who
and in
people are
today's
thinking.
times, like Alia and Kiara, they've been thriving after marriage.
Doesn't make too much of a difference. To
It doesn't. In today's time, I don't think so.
Today's time. Career आज का
Vijay, what you missed out on was we were talking about confrontation.
Okay.
Okay. If it's an unpleasant situation, would you rather confront, have an open chat with that person, or would you just like avoid and
Depends
ghost?
on who is it, what is the confrontation about, so many factors, no? If it's some random thing that you can avoid. If it's a person that you have to live with or a person that you're doing business with and have to see every day, it's better that you address it. Why do people ghost? Because
they don't want to confront and they just don't want to
They
have the
go out on
difficult
a
talks.
it's like a breakup situation. I don't go out on dates.
You don't go out on dates.
Yeah, it's not like
The
one
women
date.
like come to you like a magnet, or what do you do? How do you
Like, what do you
find your
mean?
partner?
Huh?
You must be going on some dates, na?
I've been blessed, let's say.
So they just get sucked to you, and then you're in a relationship suddenly.
No, it takes me a while to spend time with someone.
Maybe he starts like seeing somebody's already connected with.
After a long time of knowing them
Yeah.
and building a friendship.
Yeah.
Even to go on a first date, you need.
it takes,
it takes
Yeah.
time.
Very quickly. Have I ever? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you ever shoplifted?
Yes.
Yes. What? Where?
I was very young. There was this kirani ki shop.
Huh.
I saw fun flips on that.
Yeah.
So 5 rupee का पैकेट मैंने ऐसे लेके मैं चली गई.
फिर पकड़ेगा या नहीं? What about you?
So actually, I saw this mouth organ.
Okay.
My cousin he was gifted this mouth organ when I was like really young, and I was very curious about instruments. keyboard, ye wo, and my parents will not buy, get one for me also because it's a random ask mouth
Yeah.
organ. So I just stole it like from his drawer one day, and I practiced it for months for like a summer vacation, and then I went back and put it back. So he never knew.
You never got to know.
No.
Wow.
So, yeah. I was just
better
drawn
off
to
with
it.
you.
Huh?
It's better off with you.
Have you shoplifted, Vijay?
All the time as a kid.
All the time.
Yeah, you
What are
pick
the
up-
things?
You pick up fruit in the market while walking. I didn't know it was shoplifting. I thought it was, I was like, one fruit doesn't make a difference.
Like in supermarkets also, like, you know, once I've just with my roommates, we've just gone, like while we were shopping and all,
Yeah.
we just gone to the corner and had one
Yeah, like-
juice or
yeah.
like a Yakult or something, like a juice, and just threw the bottle there only and then came out for the billing.
What?
Just like,
Yeah,
we were young, yeah.
Are there no CCTV cameras at
No,
the
no,
Then they were
Yeah.
not. When we
then
were
they were
kids,
not. Right.
Which
Correct.
meaning?
Peed in the pool.
Oh God, no, Radhika, just say no, now like lie a little, lie. Yeah, there's no lie
I
detector
didn't
test
have
on you.
pools. All my now I'm too grown up, but as kids I was in a hostel that
Okay,
I don't
you
even
got
know
saved.
swimming.
You
Do
got
you know
saved.
swimming now?
No, I do not.
You don't
No.
know swimming.
I can shout help 10 times.
Next music video.
Swimming.
Swimmer.
Yeah. Okay, have you?
Let's pass.
Let's pass.
Okay, we got the answer, guys. Okay, taken advantage of your popularity.
Yes, of course. All the time.
All the time.
Like what?
Sorry,
Skip
Rishta,
years.
It's me.
Huh.
Oh, I thought people have taken advantage of my
No,
popularity.
you taking advantage of your popularity.
All the time.
What does
Not
it
all the
mean?
time. Sometimes, like, actually not me. If I come, usually people are like, oh, you want to come in the front? So I never say no.
Like little bit, like once I was just recently going to this club, so they said like show us your ID. I said like guys no, and I was not carrying the ID. And the more I was saying, ki, listen, I'm not as young as you think I am, and it was sounding like a lie. They were like, you show us your ID. I was like, guys, I'm gonna Google myself. You're gonna be embarrassed after you see my age.
Age or your popularity? Because popular singers could be like 15, 16. Also.
Age, like just I said just Google.
Fallen in love while acting a romantic scene.
No. Always a professional boundary.
He's like, it's
Why?
a wrong react.
What is this answer? Like,
Answer.
it's like he's holding up his answer.
What is this? Like, it's not like I'm doing a scene and I fall in. It's not like a slip and fall. Falling in love is like a
She means like he felt the spark.
in between a scene. You
Yeah.
know. If I would have felt a spark, I would have felt it as soon as I saw her. Doesn't have to wait till the scene. No. You want to change your question?
Okay.
You won't get an answer.
सही आंसर
आपको जो सुन रहा है आपको नहीं मिल रहा है.
नहीं मिल रहा है. सारा confessions और gossip सिर्फ coffee with KJ में. What about Sunday brunch with KJ?
KJ.
Dated a co-star.
No.
No.
Details.
No.
Okay.
तो मेरा तब पिछला वाला भी यही निकलवा रहे थे.
Okay. Currently dating anyone?
I'm single.
Very much so.
What?
Very much.
Okay. Currently dating anyone? Very much. You Radhika?
Very much. You single.
No one. Of course, I'm in a fucking 35. You think I would be single?
No. You're too good looking to be single.
Radhika is like, what answer did I give?
Radhika like very much.
Very much. very much.
Open-ended.
Any rush to get married?
The,
उधर देखो.
इधर उधर देखो.
we all have to at some
Yeah.
point, unless it's a choice of
Yeah.
not wanting to be married. If there's a cycle of life.
Cried out loud due to a heartbreak.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, okay.
They're humans, yeah.
Lied in an interview.
Definitely.
Okay, lied in an interview today.
For sure.
I'm not. And
Judy.
no, not at all.
And what about you, Vijay?
Today I don't think.
Right?
I have to recollect all
It's
that.
like अभी तो ऐसा लग तो नहीं रहा है
think
but
today.
yeah.
But in interviews, always.
Okay.
You guys keep asking questions.
Yeah.
You she generalized.
Abhi, what do we do now? This is our
Guys.
job. No. How do we get views? You have to get viral? No.
I understand the demands.
Demand.
Very hard on all of us. Okay, last segment
Yeah,
then.
yeah.
Of course, I am enjoying this brunch with you guys. But
Wow.
we have a fan interaction call. Using my Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360. And we have Fengin who's joined us. Hi Fengin.
I'm so excited. I'm such a huge fan. Oh my god, this is so nice to see you all.
Yes,
Thank
hi.
you.
Again,
And Vijay sir, especially you, I'm a huge fan.
big hugs, Penguin.
Love you, Vijay sir, in an action avatar. I mean, we're dying to see you in like a romantic film again.
The film after has like some solid romance.
I'm a huge
Oh.
fan of yours as well.
Thank you so much.
It's so nice to see you all both together.
Thank you so much.
Maybe Jasleen, we can have you sing the song Sahiba. Penguin, would you like to hear the song that they are all coming up with?
Yes, please.
मुझे इश्क है करिया तर गए दरिया रब मनिया तेनू साहिबा कि सारे जग नू भुल गए सब नू रब मनिया तेनू साहिबा. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so
Alright,
much, Penguin, for
see you.
joining us. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much, guys. It was a
Thank
lot
you.
of fun, and I wish you all the best for the song. I'm sure it's going to be a huge hit and a huge success. Going to be very viral as our video here.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.